Hey friends, it's Miss Virginia here. I'm ready to do another letter video with you, and this one is letter A. So the first letter of the alphabet, it is a vowel. A vowel is different than a consonant. It is a very special letter. There's only 5 of them, and A is the first one. So a vowel is a special letter because it makes 2 sounds. It says its name, unlike other letters, and it says another sound. So A says ah, like you're really scared of something. Ah! So it says ah, and it also says A. So it has 2 sounds, ah and A. So the vowel often says both of these sounds all the time, so it can be kind of confusing to remember what it says. But if you can remember that A says its name, you'll know that it says A. And then you can remember that A is a scared letter and it goes ah. So we have A and ah that come from the letter A. So I have some, where'd my bin go? Oh, there it is, letter A. And I have some letter A sounds, or words that begin with the letter A sound, and A. And we're also gonna write letter A. So we're gonna first start with writing letter A, and then we'll move on to the little sound bucket. So let me get a marker, and I'm gonna write letter A. So uppercase letter, or capital letter A, has 2 slants and a line across. So we'll make it like this, slant, slant, across. So there's our uppercase or capital A. The lowercase a goes around and close, down. So we have uppercase A and lowercase a. Both of them make 2 sounds, A and ah. So I'm gonna go ahead and write it again. I can rainbow write letter A with all of my colored markers that I have. So I'll rainbow write it again. Slant, slant, across, around and close, down. So uppercase A, slant, slant, across, and lowercase a, around and close, down. I'll do it again. Uppercase A, slant, slant, across, and lowercase a, around and close, down. One more time. Slant, slant, across, around and close, down. All right, so we've written A 5 times with my 5 markers, and I have uppercase and lowercase. We're gonna pay attention to the sounds now, so I'm gonna bring you down with me. There we go. I've got my A bucket, and the first word I'm gonna pull out is an apron. Apron. So you can say the A sound in apron. It says its name in the word apron. It does not say apron. It says apron. So I've got my apron. All right. There we go. All right, and the next one I have an apple. So the A says the A sound in apple. Apple. All right. So we've got apron, apple. I've got an acorn. Acorn. So I'll put this apple over here. It's got the a sound, and the acorn can go with the apron. Got another one. An alligator. Alligator begins with the a sound that A makes. So we have apple with alligator. I have 2 little ants. Ants. So that has that ant sound, the a sound, ants. All right, and then we have an anchor, an anchor. Anchor, there we go, there's A. And I've got an uppercase A and a, there we go, make sure it's turned the right way, and a lowercase a. So we've got apple, ants, alligator, anchor, acorn, and apron. I'm gonna put these away. Goodbye, acorn. Goodbye, apron. Goodbye, anchor. Goodbye, apple. Goodbye, alligator. Goodbye, ants. Goodbye, uppercase A. Goodbye, lowercase a. Can you think of any other words that begin with A, with the A sound, or the A sound? Oh, last night for dinner I had asparagus, asparagus. So that begins with the A sound, a. I wonder what else I could think of. Maybe I'll look around and see if I can think of anything else. And you can look around your room or your house and think of things that begin with the A sound, the A, or the a. Oh, just like apple in here, I had an apple with breakfast. That begins with the A sound. And behind me, you can see the apples on the apple tree. So remember, uppercase A and lowercase a, they say the A sound and they say the A sound. All right, thanks, friends.